Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs and savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your business life easier. Today, we're tackling how to create an Amazon Business Prime membership in 2025. If you're running a business and want access to exclusive deals, faster shipping, and bulk purchasing perks, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Amazon website. Make sure you're on the Amazon business page. You can find it by going to amazon.com/business or searching for it directly. If you don't have an Amazon account yet, click on Start Your Business Account. You'll need to provide some basic info like your business name, address, and tax ID to verify your eligibility. This step is crucial because Amazon Business is designed for companies, so they'll check that you're legit. Once your account is set up, or if you already have one, log in and navigate to the Prime section. Look for the Amazon Business Prime option. It's usually under the Membership or Benefits tab. Here, you'll see the perks, like unlimited free shipping on eligible orders and discounts on business essentials. Click on Join Prime and select the Business Prime plan. Don't worry, it's tailored for businesses, so you might get options for multiple users if you have a team. Next, you'll need to enter your payment details. Amazon accepts major credit cards, and they often have promotional offers for new members, so keep an eye out for any discounts in 2025. After confirming your payment, verify your email, and bam, you're all signed up. Now, you can start enjoying benefits like access to business-only deals and analytics tools to track your spending. One quick tip. Make sure to explore the Amazon Business Dashboard for personalized recommendations based on your purchase history. It's a game changer for streamlining your operations. There you have it, folks. Creating an Amazon Business Prime membership in 2025 is straightforward and packed with value. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more business hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.